Today we're going to sail on the yacht and try to find any turtles in Mediterranean Sea. For these purposes, we are departing from Antalya to Adrasan Village. The distance is about 100 kilometers. We took a couple supboards with us, good company and one birthday girl. This trip is going to be fun. And of course, the special pleasure in Turkey is a rod. To be precise, the views. Okay, we have birthday on the board. We have today is somebody's birthday, and we're gonna say happy birthday to this person. Let's see how it's going. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Yuko.
Okay, we came to the place and going to the boat. It's gonna be a nice boat trip, I guess. Yeah, our group is here and we are on the way. Well, this is Adrasan Village and look at these mountains and see. This is so beautiful, and one of these boats is our boat. I don't know yet which one, but all of them are beautiful. Well, this is our boat and this is our group is coming. A lot of people are gonna have fun in this nice boat. And look at the weather and beautiful nature. Yeah, I got to the boat and it looks nice. And it's shade inside. And it's good because I don't want to get sunburn in the first couple of hours. And look at this, it's gorgeous. Yeah, that's nice. Adrasan Village doesn't look like the place where you want to spend a lot of time. But the nature there is really beautiful. Look at the color of the water in this video, and I didn't use any color correction. Okay, we are off the shore finally, and it seems like the party just started. Everyone is chilling yet. But we don't know what will happen next. I hope we'll see some turtles. This water looks so unreal and it's so blue. It seems like somebody just painted it. We are on the way to the Bay of Joy. This is the place we're going to spend about 3 hours. Everyone on the board is doing some activities. Taking photos, dancing, talking or just watching the sea and the mountains. Probably YouTube will block this video because it's like music on the background, but I definitely love this vibe and this boat. It's a beautiful vibe. Came to some bay. It's named Bay of Joy, as people told me, and it's really beautiful. Just look at this water, it's even more beautiful than in the far sea. Just like gorgeous. You wanna just dive into and be one with this water. The water here is really amazing. I swam a lot, probably more than I have done in half year of living in Antalya. Elena, it's our guide, and she brought us here.
Hi guys!
Yeah, do you want to say something to my followers?
So it's so much fun here, so I invite you. I hope you're gonna like it. So we expect turtles to come here after the lunch. We are gonna feed them and they'll come and we'll have an opportunity to swim with them.
Yeah, I hope some turtles are coming, and I'll show you them if they come. If they not, I will not. Look at this. This is beautiful. Unfortunately, we fed everyone today but turtles. Firstly, had lunch. Boat crew cooked for us a nice fish and chicken with salad. Then we fed fish, then we had tea, but
no luck with the turtles. Anyway, I've seen a lot of undersea creatures. I tried to film them, but they were way faster than my camera.
Okay guys, check out this vibe. That's beautiful. We wanted to see some turtles, but there are no turtles today, unfortunately. Okay, this is our birthday cake. And look, delicious. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear you come. Happy birthday to you.
At that trip, I first time in my life tried snorkeling with special mask. And it's really fascinating to see the undersea world. When you observe this, you lose count of time. I realized that 2 hours have passed only when the captain gave signal about lunch. Now we are going to another bay. And while we are sailing there, let me tell a little bit about Elena. Elena is our guide. She's living in Turkey, and she's doing amazing trips every weekend. I can tell you that travel with her is really a pleasure. And if you also want to take this trip, you can see her Instagram in the video description. And I sincerely recommend you to join her Telegram chat about traveling as well.
To some nice bay, and people are swimming, and we are taking photos with Nastya and Artur. And look at this beautiful forest. Okay, this is our bay where we stayed, and people are swimming, and it's very nice. Oh, can you see? The captain gave signal. It means we have to go aboard and get out of this beautiful bay.
If you're in the tour with Elena, you may not too afraid about your Instagram. Every time she brings some nice photo shoot stuff, such as these beautiful dresses.
Photoset, and it looks nice. Okay, that is creative process, and this is how it's going. To make a perfect photo, you have to work hard, you know. Yeah, that's how it works. That's what Instagram demand. Being creative, like 4 people working for this. Yeah, that's nice. We are coming to the shore, and it was really nice. And I thank you guys for being here. Thank you for being watching this video, and I hope to see you soon in the next travel. See you. Bye bye.
I hope guys you liked this video, and if you've been enjoying watching it, please don't forget to hit a like and subscribe button. I'm really appreciate you being here, and see you next time. Bye bye.